babe. Why are you staring at me? You want to come in and say hello? Okay, okay. So, hi. Hello, my loves. It's lunchtime. I'm so hungry. And I'm supposed to be recipe testing, but I decided why not bring you guys in with me to make the recipe. If it turns out well, I'll post the video, and if it doesn't, then I don't post it, right? And then I recipe test it again and then make the video. So we're gonna be cooking lunch together. Let's get to it. I'm actually using the Gardien meatless meatballs, which I love to use. I also like to make vegan meatballs from scratch, but sometimes you just don't have time for that, and I'm really hungry. I made some brown rice. All right, so I'm just gonna put my heat at I want to say like a medium high heat, and I have my little Lazy Susan where I keep like my oils and things that I use really often on hand. I like to keep my oil in a little whatchamacallit bobber, one of these. Also my vinegar, and it's just like a quick grab. I definitely need to refill that. Yeah, so next, so I think the heat is hot enough, so I'm just gonna place in my garlic and ginger. I'll link the full recipe down below. This is gonna become fragrant really, really fast. Half a cup of low sodium soy sauce goes in. I get this teriyaki sauce at Aldi's, and it is vegan friendly. It doesn't have like any, ingredients that we should be looking out for. So I like to use this like a lot. I'm gonna actually put some of this in there. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce into the mixture. If you have hoisin sauce, that could go in there too. 2/3 of a cup of water. Some ground black pepper. I'm really generous whenever I do ground black pepper. Now we're just going to cook this down a little bit just so that it can thicken up a little with the sugar. And then we'll move on to our next step. Right before adding our meatballs or meatballs, I'm doing 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I don't think spice is part of this dish, but I am going to add some hot chili infused oil. I have been obsessed with this stuff. I love spice. I might have gone a little too much, too far, but it's okay. I love it either way. I'm going to bring the heat down to about a medium, and I am going to add in our meatballs. I don't know if I want to do all of them. Yeah, let's do all of them. My brown rice is ready to go, which I microwaved. And don't look at these bowls. Just don't look at them. Those are for donation because I wanted everything to sort of like match. And those were just kind of like mismatch. Over time, you start collecting dishes that just don't match. And then you're like, where the heck did this come from? That's what's going on over there. So that has to be taken care of. I'm actually going to cover this up now. Okay, so this lid doesn't fit all the way correctly, but yeah, that's just how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it like that. It's fine. So I lowered it down to a medium, and I'm gonna cook this for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Then I'll be back. I'm gonna move these around because the top part is getting jealous that they're not in the warm bath and they're cold. So we gotta flip these around to make sure that they get all nice and yummy and warm. I'm trying to avoid putting in like any cornstarch or flour to thicken it up, so I'm hoping that it thickens up on its own. It's only been 4 minutes, So I'm hoping that just a little longer, it will help it thicken it. If not, we're gonna have to go with the thickener route. So it's been 15 minutes, and now it actually looks like it's thickening up. Now we're cooking with grease. So I'm gonna leave it, I don't know, for like another 5 minutes or so. So like a total of 20 minutes. And then we're gonna dig in. Okay, so I haven't tasted it yet. It's super duper hot, so I don't want to burn my face off. I'm having it with some brown rice, and I don't currently have green onion. Green onions would be fantastic on this, and some sesame seeds. I'm probably gonna go get some of that when I pick up Mia so that I can take pictures and it looks like legit and really good. One of the tweaks that I will do on the recipe, actually I should have written a note down for it, was to simmer it for 10 minutes rather than 15. And then it would be perfect. I haven't tasted the end product yet, but I tasted the sauce and the meatballs. These Gardien meatballs are delicious. So I don't want to burn myself. Oh my god. I'm burning myself, but I want to keep going in. It's so delicious. Ooh, that's a slam dunk right there. That is a slam dunk. Look at this. Look at these bad boys. Look at these. What? Now that's a glaze. So I could ramble on forever. Let's not do that. This is not a mukbang. So if you want to make this, definitely try it. The full recipe will be linked down below with all its final tweaks and everything ready and good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so relaxing and fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will talk to you guys soon. I love you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.